Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make my all-time favorite cocktail, something I call a Stormhattan. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Stormbringer spiced rum, and I'm going to add 1.5 ounces of that to my shaker. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Next, the vermouth, Carpano Antica. I'm going to put half an ounce in. Normally this would be 3/4 of an ounce for a regular Manhattan, but half an ounce is what I'm going to use. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Then the bitters, Peychaud's. This is my preference, and this is what you're going to use if you're going to make an official Stormhattan. However, if you don't have Peychaud's, use some bitters that you like, 2 dashes. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Single strain into a lowball glass. If you want to use a coupe, you can use a coupe instead. And garnish. The official garnish for this drink, because I made it up, is a Luxardo cherry. And I'm going to just drop that into the bottom of the glass. Don't waste your syrup. And there you have it, a Stormhattan. Drink with good spirits.